Hello everyone, this is Amna with Flavor Hour. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for great recipes. So who doesn't love chocolate cake? Everyone loves chocolate cake, all chocolate recipes. So today I'll be making chocolate cake. So my first step is I'm mixing all the dry ingredients together. I took flour, sugar, cocoa powder, unsweetened. Remember, unsweetened cocoa powder. Baking powder 2 teaspoons, salt is 1 teaspoon. Now sift them all together so there are no clumps in your mixture. This is only the dry ingredients together first, guys. We will be making all the liquidy stuff later on. So now it is all nicely sifted together. Once all dry ingredients are all mixed up together and ready to go, in a separate bowl, take 2 eggs, oil 1 cup, hot coffee 1 cup, any brand can be used, whatever or which one you like, vanilla extract 1 teaspoon, buttermilk 1 cup, and beat them all together. Yep, it looks liquidy, but it'll set up nicely. Once our liquid is ready, it's time to put all our dry ingredients in the batter. So don't put everything in together, just split it into 3 halves and slowly just sieve everything in together. I'm sieving again to avoid any clumps and for even baking. So let's mix up together. That looks so yummy and delicious, all that chocolatey mix. Yum, 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 yum. Keep mixing until you see no clumps and no dry ingredients in there. So our batter is almost ready. Let's bake it. You can bake it in separate pans or take a big one, but remember it's better to bake in separate pans. I already greased it with an baking spray and I'm putting my parchment paper inside. Let's pour the batter in. Tap it to avoid any air bubbles. Our cake is ready. It's really super moist and spongy. Remove the parchment paper from the bottom and cut the cake into 3 layers or 2 layers. It depends on your choice. So let the cake cool down. Now it's time to make icing. So I took 4 cups of powdered sugar in a separate bowl and set it aside. In a separate bowl, take 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature is preferred, but if you have a nice mixer, you can work it out. Beat the unsalted butter until the mixture is really fluffy. After your butter is fluffy, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in it. And a little bit of salt. A pinch of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of a salt, and pour your powdered sugar in the bowl and beat it all together. You maybe have to beat it for a long time until you see all the mixture is thickened. You see those clumps, they will be gone soon. Keep beating until it's nice and smooth icing. If your icing is too thick, you can just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of whipping cream and it will come out very nice. Once your mixture of butter and powdered sugar is ready. You can add your sieved cocoa powder in it, which I took 3/4 of the cup, and mix it all and beat it together. And your icing is ready. Nice chocolatey icing, guys. So I took my cake, accidentally my cake a little bit broke, so I had to fill in this icing. But just don't throw away your cake if it doesn't turn out nicely, or if it doesn't turn out that great. You can still use it and eat it. It's worth it. We all make mistakes and we can fix it, and we learn from them. So I'm gonna put my icing on top on my first layer of cake, nicely and smoothly. Then I'll put a second layer of cake on top, and I'll ice it all together. Da, 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 da. Our chocolate cake is ready, refrigerated for a couple hours before you serve or eat it. It's really chocolatey, super moist, and it's yummy. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, if you like this recipe. And for more recipe, I also do baking tutorials for cakes. I use sometimes dummy cakes for decorating the cake. I don't want to use a real cake. But don't forget to subscribe to Flavour with Amna, and see you next time. Until that, enjoy this chocolate cake recipe. And please leave a comment from where you guys are watching. I love to know. Alrighty, take care. Bye-bye.